Dapat mag-exercise regularly. Kailangan din may proper diet at good nutrition tayo. At mas maigi kung makakahanap tayo ng nutrition partner that can give us 10 essential benefits katulad ng bones, joints, muscle, EasyFlex, energy, eyes, brain, immunity, skin, and Easy Tummy. Kaya, para sa future self ko at sa mga healthcare providers dyan, I found the best partner for you. Anlin Total 10. It has 28 vitamins and minerals. It has the highest calcium and the highest protein versus other adult milk brands. Huwag mong kalimutang uminom nito regularly ha. At sa mga dedicated caregivers natin dyan, bigyan din natin ng Anlin Total 10 yung mga older adults para strong and healthy din sila. Gets ba? Okay, ingat!